Hey y'all, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing the full flip through for my design team project for Mindfull Image. This digital printable kit that I used is called the Volcanic Strength Junk Journal Kit, and it is available over on the mindfullimage.com website. You can also go over and find Katherine Hernandez on TikTok. She's on YouTube. She has a group on Facebook. And she currently has an injury. She broke her arm. And according to her latest post regarding that, she will be having surgery today, I believe. So as a crafter, having a broke arm is awful. So if you guys want to go over and support her pages, go and check out her stuff. She does have other arts that she makes in her shop on her website. If you have not seen the tassels that she makes, the book tassels that she makes, they're amazing. Go look at those. They are absolutely stunning. So she also does bottle art and some other things. You can go check all of that out. She has quite a few digital printable kits available for sale as well. So I will link all of her information below if you are on my TikTok channel. If you are on my YouTube channel, in the description box. If you are on TikTok, I will try to link as much as I can into the comments. It kind of messes with the algorithm a little bit. But I will also tag her 2 pages that she has on TikTok in the comments. Okay. So this journal I've been working on forever. And I've decided that she's finished. So she measures about 8 inches by, in total, 5 3/4 inches. She has 18 pages front and back, not counting the cover. I did leave the spine as it was so that you could see the binding strings. I added some flat back gems here on the front, a layered flower I added here. This lady is from the kit. I used hand-dyed papers and black cardstock throughout the journal. These were dyed with food coloring and inks, and then I stamped on them with Stays-On ink. The other papers throughout the journal are hibiscus dyed. These gray toned papers are hibiscus dyed papers, and I darkened the edges with different inks. I do have quite a few videos showing me working on this journal and my different processes. This lady is from the kit, and I took a page and cut it down and made this tag. Added some fabric here and some sticker gems up on top. Created a layered flowered embellishment here with some more gems. Again, some inks and stamping involved here to alter this page. I did another layered flower embellishment here. This is a pocket that I made from a piece of one of the pages. This is another lady from the kit, and I backed her with a background paper from the kit and included a playing card in this pocket. Also put some gems along the edge of this page. These butterflies are sort of washi type. They are wall decals is what they are. And they have stick and re-stick tape on the centers of them. So you can lift these wings up and write underneath them. You can move them around. Some more gems along the edges of the pages here. I took a playing card. And layered some paper and some pieces from the kit and a phrase from the kit from a piece of ephemera. stitched around that card and then glued it on the bottom and on one side to make a tuck spot, and then used this page from the kit to make a large journaling card and backed that with paper from the kit. I made a pocket here with this lady and used this phrase here, layered up with some paper from the kit. Tore some paper from the kit on this side and made this page edge embellishment with some more flowers and gems here. Put some ribbon here, and then I made a little folder to go into this pocket. And in this folder, I used two ladies from the kit and made them journaling cards. Just some pages to write on here. I did glue the center of the signature together where you don't see the strings in the center of the signature. On this side, some more of those butterflies with the movable wings, some gems, more butterflies here. I fussy cut this out of a page in the kit and used a phrase from the kit here. Another pocket I made here using one of the ladies from the kit, and I put some ribbon along this edge, and in this pocket is another card made from a page that is available in the kit, and I backed that with my hand-dyed paper, and that slides back in here. This is another altered playing card glued on two sides to make a tuck spot that I layered up with different things from the kit and some black cardstock. And this lady available in the kit, I turned into another large journaling card with some background paper on the back. Some hibiscus dyed paper here with a large strand of a flat back gem sticker. Another layered flower here with some torn page from the kit. And then on the back cover, I made this pocket, put some ribbon here, added a bow, added some flowers here. And then I made this little notebook with papers from the kit and my hand-dyed papers. This word is included in the kit. This I also made in a video. This is hibiscus dyed paper and images from papers in the kit. And then on the back is a pocket, and I included this image from the kit, which I will back with some of this orange paper. I didn't realize I didn't back that. And this slides into this pocket. And then on the back, another altered playing card layered with black cardstock and a word from the kit. Another washi butterfly here. Some gems. Some paper that I tore from the kit to embellish the sides here. And in this pocket, another one of the ladies from the kit, backed with a piece of background paper. And that is it, y'all. I was very happy to be able to be a guest designer for Mindfull Image over the last several months. She was very patient with me while I was working on this journal because life was lifing a whole lot, and this journal was delayed. And appreciate Katherine being patient, waiting for this one to be completed. All right, thanks for watching, y'all. Try to have a good day.